Martin from Playcraft Labs. They got a pretty cool product here. Martin, tell me a little bit what you got going on.
So Playcraft is an HTML5 game engine. It makes it really easy to make web-based games that'll work just as well on a web browser as they will on mobile devices.
Now, what kind of language are you writing all this in right now?
Yeah, the whole engine is based in JavaScript. So you can build a game using the kind of web tools that you're used to, and it's all going to execute in JavaScript, and you can see that JavaScript running in the browser. So it makes it's a very familiar kind of language. It's a really easy language to work with, yet you're able to make really sophisticated types of games with it.
Yeah, based on what I've seen, you have amazing control over what you can create, your placement, your physics, your particles. You can do all this cool stuff, all in a web browser.
Yeah, we do a lot of tricks to make that happen. So in the demo game you saw, we have about 8 layers of graphics rendering. We're doing that at about 200 frames a second. But to get that kind of performance, we had to build a custom physics engine, and we had to build a pre-rendering system that automatically takes care of graphics. And to do all that, we had to port sometimes existing libraries to be able to work well inside a browser. Because the browser experience is, for a game development, is a pretty different thing to work where you have control of the whole computer. So it was a challenge, but we spent about 15 months developing the technology, and we're really happy that we're able to get great-looking games working really fast and really well.
Now, and all those libraries are all in JavaScript, right?
Yeah, where we couldn't use a library, and we took a large part of the game engine, we've open sourced that so that other people can contribute and help us improve browser gaming across the board. But every library we basically had to hand code in order to get the performance that we wanted. Because we didn't want to make, Angry Birds is a great game, but we wanted to make something even bigger than Angry Birds and more sophisticated. And to do that, we needed to solve some big problems like memory management in browsers. And it's great, it's going well.
Oh, you guys are doing a fantastic job. It looks great, it looks like it runs great. And you were saying that it also runs really well on mobile devices.
Yeah, especially after iOS 5, when Apple's really done a great job in improving the graphics performance of mobile Safari. Prior to iOS 5, things weren't great, but that plus optimization around a mobile device specifically means that you can build games that look great in a browser and run just as well on a mobile device. It's cool.
No, it looks really cool. You guys should be really proud of yourselves. Is there anything that you want to say to the people out there that weren't able to make TechCrunch, and just what would you say to them?
Check out playcraftlabs.com. Please, if you're a game developer and you're interested in HTML5, we'd love to talk to you about the games you'd like to make, and we'd love to help you make great games. So playcraftlabs.com.
Absolutely. If you are a game developer, definitely check these guys out. It's awesome. There's not much more I can say. Well, man, Martin, it was a pleasure talking to you. I wish you the best of luck at TechCrunch.
Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.